name's Jennifer Harkins, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to assemble an F attachment Getzen trombone. A little different from your regular tenor trombones. This trombone I used it for about 6 or 7 years in college doing band, all kinds of different music groups. Okay, so we have the slide again, and here it is, has the slide braces and the locking key and the stopper and the spit valve. Okay, and it has, this is kind of fun. This is the outer slide and this is the inner slide. When you wash it, you're gonna wanna make sure you wash both pieces, this one and this one, because if there's something on the in between the outer slide and the inner slide, it's gonna make it harder to play because the slide is gonna get stuck. All right, and then here is the bell and an extra tuning slide and an F attachment. Here I am, I'm gonna screw it together first. That's the important part. Make sure the slide is locked. Okay, got it nice and tight. So now this horn, it has this F attachment key here. You can unscrew this and there's a special oil that you can put in there. Looks like this. You're gonna make sure that that's nice and loose so that the key can move freely and not be jammed. What the key does is it allows, and I'll get back to that. Okay, so on this trombone we have the regular tuning slide, and it has a couple of bell and slide braces in here. And then it has this second tuning slide, and this second tuning slide wraps around in here. So what happens is when we pull that out, it allows us to reach more bass notes, because now we're making the slide, the trombone, actually this much longer and beyond. Okay, so let me put my baby. That's the wedding ring. Sorry. Okay, so we're gonna take our mouthpiece and we're gonna put it here. I use a 6.5 AL and it's got a wide bore shank. I put it into here and then we rest it on our left shoulder. There are people that like to rest it on their right shoulder, but if you're just starting out and learning, you wanna try to use it on the right, with it on the left side. Use your right arm for your slide because why? Because it's healthier. I don't know. I'm not really sure. Never mind. Anyways, it's just like in school, how they teach us how to write with our right hand. We want to use our slide with our right hand. Okay, if I said something offensive, please forgive me. Okay, so then you just put your mouth on the mouthpiece, which this is a very cold instrument right now. So it's not going to sound great if I play it right now. But that's how you want to hold it, and that's how you play it. And then, so what the F key does, it allows you to, instead of reaching all the way down for the lower notes, you can stay in first, second, third, or fourth, and the sharps and the flats of all those positions. Each position has a sharp and also a flat of its own position. So, and double and triple. So there's all kinds of places you're going to find each note, and it really depends on how you are for the day as in tune. Okay, but what you're gonna do is you push this pedal down, and then it allows you to play the lower notes that are way down here, up here. So instead of going back and forth from 1 to 6 or 7, you are only going from about 1st to 4th, maybe 5th. All right.